Before we get to your workout, I want to remind you that my 3-week Mind Body New Year's Challenge starts January 10th, and you have to be an unlimited to get it. So join the link below. You'll get access to hundreds of workouts, recipes, inspiration, and my favorite community of amazing, encouraging people. So join Unlimited and then get into our New Year's Challenge starting January 10th. Link is below. We're doing a 5-minute Pilates leg routine. We're gonna start on our hands and knees. And then you're gonna reach your right leg back, point your toes, lift, lower, exhale, inhale. So I have my hands underneath my shoulders. My left knee is right under my left hip. I'm trying to keep my back flat. 2 more. So don't let your back arch when your leg lifts. Stay here, pulse. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now listen up, stay here. I'm gonna lower the leg down, tap the left of the mat, lift it up, lower, tap right. Lift, lower, tap left, lift, lower, tap right. So I'm drawing this rainbow behind me. And again, your goal is to try to keep your back nice and flat. 2 more. 1 and 2. Nice job. Bring the knee back down. Left leg reaches out straight to this side. Now, the beauty of doing things on all fours like this is that you're also getting this full body workout. So your arms are working just to keep you lifted. And then the leg that's down, you're probably feeling that hip work as well to keep you nice and stable. So it's a great place when you're trying to get a big bang for your buck like we are in our 5 minutes here. Lift it up, stay here, pulse. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Lower down, tap right, lift up, lower, tap left, lift. So we're using control and power to get the leg up. So don't be afraid to feel like you're really kind of kicking it up there. Use that power, but make sure it's controlled as well. So last 2 and last 1. Nice job. Bring it back in, sweep your legs around, and roll down onto your back. We're gonna have the legs hip distance apart. Inhale, feet flat. Exhale, curl. Roll yourself up into a bridge. Stay here. So I have a flat back now, and I'm gonna lower and just barely tap the ground and lift back up. Inhale, exhale. 4, 3, relax your head and neck. 2, 1, keep it up there, pulse. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale and exhale, curl, roll back down. Now, option is to stay with that. Do that movement and series one more time. Otherwise, I'll talk you through the next step. We're all gonna roll up. Stay there, and you can even just do a few bridges if you need to, okay? Otherwise, if you wanna move on with me, lift the right leg to tabletop. Lift it up. Now I'm gonna lower, tap, lift, lower, lift. Even maybe just lowering an inch. 3, 2, 1. Nice job. Switch sides. 6, 5. Always picking the version that's best for you on any given day. 2, 1. Foot down. Inhale and exhale to roll back down. Roll onto your left side. All right, so we're gonna be in a high elbow. You can always just lay completely flat to do this. I'm gonna have my bottom knee bent in, but my top leg is reaching out. Lift, lower, lift, lower. 4, 3, 2, 1. Keep it up, little circles. 4, 3, 2, 1. Reverse. 4, 3, 2, 1. Stay here. Lift it higher, higher. Good. 4, 3, 2, 1. Nice job. Switch sides. I know these 5-minute workouts, you think they're not going to be much, but we move through things so quick, you just keep going. And at this point, your legs are probably burning like mine are. Toes pointed, lift and lower. Check in, organize yourself. Don't ever let us go so fast that you don't organize your body, okay? Rest when you need, come back in at any time. Last 2, 1 and circle, 4, 3, keep reaching the leg out and switch directions. 3, 2, 1. Now we're gonna pulse it up one more time. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Nice job. Go ahead and lay on your back one more time. Bend, find a piriformis stretch, also called figure 4. So I have my right ankle on my left thigh, and I'm gonna pull the legs in. Tailbone down, head relaxed. Go ahead and switch legs or just stay there as long as you need, okay? You can hold this stretch longer if you need to. Nice, hug both knees in. An awesome job. I'll see you soon. Thanks so much for stopping by. Remember, subscribe to my channel and you'll be notified every time a new video comes up. Like and comment on this video and let me know what you thought. You can also always come over to jessicavalantpilates.com to find all the resources I have for living a healthy lifestyle, including full-length workout videos, healthy recipes, and a community I would love for you to be a part of. So I'll see you there.